psychological. All of it goes under practice. All of it goes under work. But Scott Adams, one of his quotes, and I'll paraphrase, he's the creator of Dilbert, is that goals are for losers. People who set goals, they don't achieve them, and they feel as though they're a loser, a failure. So the key is to have a system that you follow every day, and every day you follow the system, it's a success. You get it? So let me convert this. Systems are goals. Every day you follow the goal system. Every day is a success because you followed the goal system. And you're not expecting to reach the goal way over here all in one shot. You just follow the system. So it's daily goals. How many words a day do I need to write to finish this book? Write those many words. Every day is now a success. I've been teaching this for a long time. You can have a long-range goal, but you minimize it. 1% of your focus. Just think about it here and there. But mostly you tune into today. What do I got to do now? What do I need to do now?